If you love gardening or hate struggling with the wrong tools, the mess, and the guesswork that goes into it, this video is today. I'm sharing with you my absolute favorite garden essentials that make life a little easier. So let's get into it. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Nina, and this is Nina's Fabulous Finds. This is a channel where I review various items that help busy moms like us, and it helps us navigate daily routines. Whether you're juggling work, family, or anything in between, this channel, I have products that's designed to make your life a little simple and easier. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, that you think will help, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified of new videos that I might create. All right, let's jump right into the must-have gardening tools that makes my life easier. First up, we have the moisture tester. Overwatering is one of the biggest mistakes gardeners make. This moisture tester helps me check my soil instantly so my plants get just the right amount of water. Next up, we have the solar spotlights. My neighborhood gets super dark at night, but these lights are a game changer. They highlight my garden as well as yard beautifully and give me just the right amount of light. Next up, we have the extra large repotting mat. I've raved about this before, but I have to mention it again. It keeps my floors clean when I'm repotting. Plus, it's super easy to fold and store. Next up, we have these potato grow bags. These bags make growing potatoes as well as other plants and herbs so much easier. With the side flap, I can check on my plants without dumping everything out. We have the grow lights for indoor plants. Not enough sunlight? No problem. These full spectrum grow lights are adjustable and come with a timer, perfect for my indoor plants. Also, my favorite shoes, Crocs, super comfortable, and I wear them for gardening. I never realized how much I needed these until I got them. They're comfortable, they're breathable, and easy to wash after a day in the garden. And finally, we have our Christmas cactus potting soil. This is the perfect soil mix for succulents and cacti. It keeps my plants hydrated without being too dense. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this list helps you on your garden journey or to make things a little easier. If there's a tool in this list that you like, let me know in the comments. Or if it's another gardening tool that you swear by, let me know also in the comments. Maybe I could check that out too. Also, if this video was helpful and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like as well. Happy gardening!